Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix TUI Travel app not working. So if you're currently having problems that your TUI Travel app that it's not working for you and you want to be able to fix this, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So actually what I did myself is that I firstly closed the app and instead I went into the settings app on my phone. And now on my settings app, then what I did in here is that I scrolled down and then I clicked where it says general in here. So I clicked on general. And as you can see, you should now be taken to this page, which is perfect. So now what I did on this page is that I scrolled down and I clicked on storage. And just simply wait for all of the apps in here now to load. And when it's done, you can just swipe up like this until you can see the search bar up top. So click on search in here. And then what you're going to do in here is to just simply search for TUI and just click on the app. And as you can see, you should now be taken here. Now I'm just going to click on offload app and once again click on offload app in here and then click on the blue button here once again. So I did this myself, by the way, and you shouldn't be logged out of your account. At least I wasn't myself. So just wait for the app now to completely update to its latest version. So by doing this, you're going to automatically update the app. So you're going to force it to update to its absolute latest version, and it's going to fix all the bugs that was in the previous one, basically. So when it's done, go back into the app, and hopefully now it's working for you as well.